Hello, my name is Simon and welcome to my channel, Simon Says Apple. On this channel we will focus on Apple products like iPhones, iPads, Macs and more. I see you're not yet a subscriber, but try it out. I will post one video every week. We will test, repair and explain different products. How does it work? For example, how to change the battery of your iPhone when it gets old, or how to change the display if it gets cracked. It's easier than you may think. We also solve issues like what to do if you forget your Apple ID password or the passcode to your device. Sometimes we also take a look on all the products and compare them with each other. I post all instructional videos in both English and Swedish. And if you want me to make a video about something special or have a question, just leave a comment. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Have a good one!